QE is basically a central bank like the Fed printing electronic money known as reserves and using those reserves to buy bonds, existing credit from Wall Street banks.
Now, although we refer to the years after 2008-9 as the Great Recession, what could have been a rerun of the Great Depression, or even worse, was stopped in its tracks.
2009, the first full year of QE, was the most profitable revenue year ever in Wall Street history. It's basically creating prosperity for people who don't need the help.
When you're in a crisis, when everything is going to hell, you have to step up if you're the central bank. You have to save the day.
There's no free lunch. Don't give reckless monetary policy a mandate.
So the printing of money, the creation of money that goes into the financial system eases credit, makes credit more available, makes it possible to get a mortgage, makes it possible to have a credit card.
Mortgage lending is way down from where it was in the past. There hasn't been a lot of business lending from the banks.
It boosted confidence and activity in the financial system. Look at the number of jobs created. You've got to take a view on what the situation would have been like without this assistance.
From 2008 until 2014, when QE ended in America, the Fed printed and spent almost $4 trillion. 2 out of every $3 has ended up sitting idle in Wall Street banks. Today, our too-big-to-fail banks are 37% bigger.
There are bankers that have earned obscene and absurd amounts of money, and I am no defender of that. There's no way that the banking system collectively can extinguish the money.
And if it does work at all, by artificially stimulating banks and financial markets, it's sowing complacency about the crumbling economic welfare of the average citizen.
We're certainly not recommending that you do this every day and all day, but under these circumstances, when faced by a crisis and a panic, central banks, under those circumstances, can, should, and must print prosperity.
If the Fed does nothing more than print IOUs, who here believes that increases wealth? Phony IOUs increase risk, risk reduces wealth.